Naruto, are you alright now?
Yeah.
He looks better now.
Lord Fukasaku, could you tell us about pain again?
Right.
Rinnegan?
Yup. His eye power is beyond your imagination. Defeating him will be no easy task.
Are there any other things you noticed? We'd appreciate any information you can give us.
Let me think. Oh. Now I remember that Jiraiya boy said...
The real one's not among them.
Jiraiya boy...
The real one's not among them. What does that mean?
I don't know, but those were Jiraiya boy's last words. If we examine the body I brought back, and combine that with the information from the prisoner...
We might find a way to defeat pain, right?
Yes.
Whether you find a way to defeat him or not, I don't care.
Naruto?
No matter how strong he is, I just need to be stronger than that. I'll train myself, get stronger, and then I'll avenge Pervy Sage!
If you stay here, no matter how hard you work, you'll have no chance against pain.
What?
You've got to come with me to Mount Myoboku. I'll teach you how to master Sage Jutsu.
Mount Myoboku? If I train there, I can become strong enough to defeat pain?
We'll see. I'm sure you'll increase your potential. But Sage Jutsu training is no easy task. You've got to be prepared.
Huh. If there's a path to defeating pain, I'll take it.
I like that. Tsunade, let me take care of him.
I appreciate it.
Good luck, Naruto. Be strong, and come back safe.
Yeah! Count on it!